See, my hosting account is open, and here this is a domain add, and when I go to edit to WordPress, this says the site cannot be reached. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So this is my godday account, and here the lots of stuff is added. This is name server is added already. Point to this name server from the if you are hosting a user. So here this is name server added, but the problem is still going on. So what you need to do, and what you have done, why this problem is occurred, because you are not pointed a IP address which is provided to your uh, hosting account. So go and fix this problem. See, this is hosting account, and here you can click this hosting. You can see your domain is added, or the website is added. So if you are new here and you want to add some website, so go to the click on add website, and after adding website you need to point it out the particular name server NS. So I have already add the name server, but the problem is the site cannot be reached. So in this tutorial I'm going to fix this issue. So click to manage, and there's a little stuff you need to do. So here you can see this is IP address, and this is the very important thing. I'm not going to show you here. I'm just hiding because this is a very for the privacy and security purpose. So here you can see this is IP address, and you need to do one thing. You need to add this IP address to your domain. Sorry, to your godaddy domain DNS. Okay, so you need to copy this thing. After copy, go to this uh, godaddy, now add, and go to this A and host here, add and point to this IP address and paste it over here, and now save. And TTL is 1 hour. Okay.